What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick but fun video. I'm going to show you guys very quickly how I apply my lashes every day. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you can get notifications on when I drop a new video. Using iEnvy's Strip Lash Adhesive in black, carefully place the lash right on my eyelid. I like to use black only because most of the times I wear black eyeliner. But as you can see, I press the lash starting from the end, making sure it's secure and it's lined up with my eyelid. And then I work my way down the lash all the way until I get to the inner lash. And I'm just pressing. You want to make sure the lash is good and secure so that it does not hang off or fall off. It's really simple, actually. Most of the times I'm standing really close to the mirror to make sure that everything is lined up properly. The way you apply the lash is really your preference. Some people like the dip at the end with the lash. Now you have to be careful to make sure the inner part of the lash is down because that's the first thing to stick up. After I do that, I like to take a spoolie and blend my lash in with the false lash. And that's that on that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Love you all.